Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library bringing you a recipe in honor of Nicholaus Copernicus' birthday. Nicholaus Copernicus was born in Torun, Poland, so today's recipe comes from Polish Cooking by Marianna Heberle, available for checkout at any Greensboro Public Library. Today, I will be showing you how to make Polish Cabbage Rolls. For your ingredients, you will need 1 3-pound head of green cabbage with the core removed, a 1/4 cup butter or margarine, 1 small onion chopped, 1 pound lean ground beef, 1½ pounds lean ground pork, 1½ cups cooked long grain white rice, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 3½ cups of beef broth, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Step 1. In a large saucepan, boil enough salted water to cover the cabbage. Cook over medium-high heat 5 to 7 minutes. Step 2. With forks or tongs, gently remove the leaves as they become tender. Drain well and let cool. Step 3. Carefully trim the main leaf stems at the bottom of your softened leaves. This is a good time to begin preheating your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 4. Melt 1 tablespoon of your butter or margarine in a small skillet. Add in your onion and saute over medium heat until golden brown, then remove from heat and let cool. Step 5. In a large bowl, combine the beef, pork, sauteed onion, cooked rice, salt, and pepper. Make sure to mix it well and that everything is fully incorporated together. Step 6. Spread your softened cabbage leaf flat. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of your filling, then fold the sides in towards the center. Roll tightly and repeat with the remaining leaves and filling. Step 7. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine in a large skillet. Place filled cabbage leaves, seam down, in the skillet and cook over medium heat until brown, 8 to 10 minutes. Flip once with a spatula and let brown on the other side another 8 to 10 minutes. Carefully remove them from the pan and place in a roasting pan or casserole dish, seam side down. Step 8. Add 3 cups of broth to the arranged cabbage rolls in the roasting pan or casserole dish. Step 9. In a small bowl, combine ½ a cup of broth and the tomato paste, whisking until smooth and there are no lumps. Step 10. Pour the tomato paste and broth mixture over the cabbage rolls, smoothing out on the top. Step 11. Cover with tinfoil and bake for 40 minutes until fork tender. Step 12. Carefully remove from the oven and remove the tinfoil. Step 13. In a small skillet, melt the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Stir your flour in until smooth and cook over medium heat, stirring until golden. Step 14. Ladle in 1 cup of broth from your stuffed cabbages into the flour mixture. Blend well. Pour your butter and flour mixture over the stuffed cabbages and return to the oven uncovered to cook until the liquid bubbles and thickens slightly, about 15 to 20 minutes. Final step, carefully remove from the oven and serve with the pan juices. Enjoy! Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.